Hello everyone, this is Dr. Vignesh. I'm from Infusion Medical and Education Zone. Many of the medical students have raising the queries, sir, how to insert the page borders and page numbers during our thesis work and other documentation purpose. And today I'm here to teach you about how to insert the page numbers and page borders and how to customize the borders and how to customize the page numbers in the Word document for your working purpose. For that, I would like to share my screen. It's a very simple task and it will take only a few minutes to make your Word document in an elegant model. So let me just share my screen. I'm going to here to teach you the how to insert page borders and numbers from starting to advanced. So this is the home screen while your monitor or desktop when you open. Just go to into the Windows button, click Windows button and select a Word document. Today here I am selecting the blank Word document to demonstrate that inserting of page borders. While you can also select the document which contains the contents. When for presentation purpose, I am using the blank document. It's a very simple task, as I previously mentioned. While using my this is the Microsoft version, Microsoft Windows 12 version. This is the working place where all the text what we have typed will be presented here. Like I am presenting infusion, INFUSIO and infusion medical and education zone. This is the working place where we can type all the content whatever if we want. And our primary concern is today how to customize the borders and how to insert the borders and page numbers to the Word document. Currently, we are working for various purposes. So this is a very simple task where you can see various options in this bar. You can see the file, home, insert, draw, design, layout, references, margins, review, view, and help. To insert these page borders, there is an icon presented in the home tab. When you press on the home tab, there is an icon representing like borders. When you place your cursor on this icon, they can it can represent that the icon name as borders, add or remove borders for your sessions. So I'm going to press this icon. Let me see when when you press on this icon, various options can be available. So when you see the last option, it will demonstrate how to use the page borders and shadings. So go to the last option, which is borders and shadings. See here, a dialog box is pop up where you can add customize your page borders. So this none is the where borders will not there entirely to your document. So before going to insert borders, I would like to explore this dialog box to a small extent. See here borders, page borders and shadings were available. Borders are used for paragraphs, for highlighting the paragraphs, for creating a box or creating an design to a paragraph to highlighting the paragraphs. Like our primary concern is today to insert the page borders. You have to go to page borders. This is the tab where the beside contains the page borders. So just click on this page borders. You can see here none. Again, none, box, shadows, 3D, and customized designs were available. So where none is no page borders will apply to the page, and box where the borders will apply four sides of your pages. So our for a simple Word document for demonstrating purpose, I would like to explore the box model of these page borders. See here when we click on the box from observe this none, there is no here is the preview of the preview of your page, how the borders will be appeared in the original pages. Like when you click on the none, there is none of the borders on the four sides of your document. You can't see any one border on either sides of the document. So when you want these borders, just click on the box, you can apply. See how these four borders were applied to your Word document, where the inside, this is the inside content, which is shown in black lines, and the outside black borders is the where the page borders for your Word document. So, sir, how to customize these borders? How to make this thickened? How to make this double-edged borders, triple line borders, and how to create and shadow borders? See here, the style box will be applied. When we click on this box, there are various styles. Automatically, the borders will be applied for four sides. To customize these borders, just click on the style where you want which style you want. For example, the mostly I would like to present this double border style. See here when we click on this double border, there is a two borders for each side, which makes the document very elegant. So s- here we can the Microsoft will provide the defaultly the black color of the border. When you want to customize this border into various colors, go to the color tab. Here is the color tab where you can automatically, the automatic color is the black. When you want to customize, I would like to customize my borders into the orange color. So just click on orange color. So this orange color will apply to your borders. So sir, so the border is very thin and I want to make it look very bold. So this makes into the width, increasing the width of the border, like making into bold, any other customizations. So we can here see the width is the option where we can see here. So this is the half pt width. We can say this the default every default documentation will apply the this half pt width. So when you click on this more options here the down arrow button, you can see the more options like increasing in the width, like so 3 by 4 pt, 1 by 1.5 pt, to 1 by 4 pt. So most of the times I'll use this 1.5 pt, where the document looks more elegant and more catchy borders will be applied. Another you can also use this option 2 1 by 4 pt and 3 pt, but there will be more thickened of the borders. The content highlighting the content of the document will be disappeared, and more the borders only make the catchy of the content. So most of the times I'll use to 1.1 pt, like where I shown here. So sir, I want the only upper border and lower borders. I don't want this side by side borders. Just click on this borders whatever you don't want. The borders will be disappear. So sir, I want the four borders again. So how can I get? Just click on this here and here, and the borders will be applied for your sites. So I want only the side by side borders, not top and bottom borders. Just click on the top border and down border. There will be disappeared. Only side by side borders will be available. So sir, I want to apply this whole document. So go to apply option and click on this down arrow option. So you can see this session for first page only, this session for all except first pages, which means the whole document, most of the times we'll use the whole document. And for session, we use, sir, I need only borders for only first page. I don't need any borders for second, third, fourth, and fifth, the rest of the pages of the document. So when I click this option, first page only, this session only first page. The borders will apply only for first page. Rest of the document will be without borders. So except of first page, I need the borders for every page in my document. So they just click on this session, all except first page. Then the except of first page, every page will you can see the borders. So just I would like to demonstrate in a sample purpose, and I'm applying my four borders for all hold the document and clicking the option OK, and you can see how beautifully this apply borders were applied to my document. This is how you can customize your borders just clicking on this button, borders button in the home bar, home tab, or you can say home tab. This clicking on this borders button, you can apply or customize your borders and shadings. Where select the option, the last one, which is borders and shadings, and just click page borders and select the option box, where the entire whole document with four sides of the each page will apply the borders. Or you can customize, like if you don't want the side borders, you can remove by just clicking. You don't want the upside and downside borders, just clicking on them you can remove, or you want to apply, just click once again on the four sides wherever the borders you want, the borders will be appeared. Next, just click on OK, the borders will be applied. If you don't want these borders, sir, I want to remove entire borders, just go to the borders option, select no borders, or just select again borders or shadings, and go to box, and page borders, go to page borders and select none, and select OK. There will be no borders to your entire document. Sir, no, sir. I want to insert the page numbers. So our second concept is to insert the page numbers. Just I would like to once again insert the borders, and I will go to the page numbers. So go to home tab, click on the box borders option, and go to the last option, borders and shadings, and click on the page borders. Click on the box where you can appear the four borders for your page, and clicking the whole document, selecting the whole document, and selecting the whole document. I would like to customize my borders to 1.1 by 2, and I would like to again customize for double borders. Let me change this time for a thickened border followed by a thin border, and I would like to make my border into a separate color. This time I will use blue color. Clicking on OK, selecting the OK, the borders will be applied. See how beautifully this borders will apply to my document. So, sir, I want to insert page numbers, sir. How could I insert my page numbers? Just go to Insert tab. Here we can see File tab, Home tab, Insert tab, Draw, Design, Layout. There are various tabs default given by the Microsoft, where you are using the Windows version. Click on the Insert tab, and now you can see various options in this divided sections. So just go to header and footer section. Here you can see the page numbers. The option, you can see the page numbers here, where just click on this down arrow. So just then it will ask just like you want the page number on top of the page. You can see here, just placing your cursor on this option, various other options you can see, what are other templates you can see, where the page number will appear, like top of the page at different areas, like left corner, middle, right corner, the page number with a text and a border at the header, and the right side, this is the right side, this is the left side and right side alignments. And you can see a customized one with a square bracket with a page number inserted between square brackets. And here, like you can see various models of the page numbers, various customized designs default given by the Microsoft versions. So that Here you can select whatever the page number you want. Just I am just selecting. I most frequently use this type of page numbers. So just click on this type. So see, you can apply this page number to this header session. This is called header session. While you click on this, double click on this up header session, like upper part of your document, there is will be an available of header session. So whatever the page numbers we will give will apply in header and footer sessions usually. So here you can see that page numbers were applied to this page. The page number with the page is the lettering wording and a number one which is applied to here. So is this continue for next page? Yes, definitely. When you see, I just doing the next page. See, here is the page one. Here is the page two. Here is the page one. The page number appeared in the header session. Here is the page two where the page number is appeared in this header session. So, sir, I would like to change this to my footer session where I would like to insert the page number at this corner of this page. Yes, it's possible. Yes, go to insert tab again. Go to page number session. See bottom of page where the page numbers were default design for inserting the page number in the left corner of the page, left downside corner of the page, middle downside middle of the page, right side middle of the page, and page number with wording styles and various square bracket style. Various styles were available. So I would like to use this type of page number. I would like my interest is in inserting this type of number. Just click on this for double time. See, here is the page numbers which are available now in the photo session. I can are you I can I hope you can see this photo session. The page numbers were now available. So this is where how to insert these page numbers and page borders for a document for your thesis purpose or for your any other writing purpose or your documentation purpose in your Word document. So thank you for being patiently listening for this session and thank you.